हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सिविल इंजीनियरिंग नोट्स चेंजिंग द वे ऑफ लर्निंग। स्वागत है आप सबका। अब हम बात करने जा रहे हैं सिविल इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट कंक्रीट टेक्नोलॉजी का पार्ट 12 लेके। यहाँ पे मैं डिस्कस करूँगा कंक्रीट टेक्नोलॉजी का कुछ MCQ क्वेश्चन आंसर जो आपका अपकमिंग कोई भी टेक्निकल एग्ज़ाम में बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होगा। तो चलिए अभी स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। 121 नंबर क्वेश्चन, द एग्रीगेट इज सेड टू बी फ्लैकी एग्रीगेट व्हेन, करेक्ट आंसर है इट्स लीस्ट डायमेंशन इज 1/5 of its mean dimension। नंबर 122 नंबर क्वेश्चन, the aggregate is said to be elongated when its length is equal to 1.8 times its mean dimension। correct answer D। 123 नंबर क्वेश्चन, if the aggregate completely passes through a 50 mm sieve and retained on 40 mm sieve, then the particular aggregate is said to be flaky if its least dimension is less than 27 mm। 124 नंबर क्वेश्चन, in the above question the particular aggregate is said to be elongated if its length is not less than 81 mm। it is correct, true, this statement is true। 125 नंबर क्वेश्चन, bulk specific gravity of an aggregate is defined as, correct answer B, the weight of oven die aggregate divided by its absolute volume including the natural force in the aggregate particles। aggregate particles। 126 नंबर क्वेश्चन, the apparent specific gravity of an aggregate is defined as the weight of oven dry aggregate divided by its absolute volume excluding the natural force in the aggregate particles। correct answer A। 127 नंबर क्वेश्चन, the bulk density of an aggregate is the weight required to fill a container of unit volume। यहाँ करेक्ट है, इट इज करेक्ट, एग्री। 128 नंबर क्वेश्चन, the value of bulk density for angular and flaky aggregate is less as compared to graded aggregates। correct answer B। 129 नंबर क्वेश्चन, the value of bulk density of the aggregate depends upon size distribution aggregate of size distribution of aggregate, shape of aggregate, specific gravity of aggregate। correct answer D। an aggregate which may contain some moisture in the pores but having dry surface is known as dry aggregate। correct answer B। 131 नंबर क्वेश्चन, an aggregate having all the pores filled with water but having dry surface is called saturated surface dry aggregate. Correct answer C. Correct answer saturated surface dry aggregate. 131 नंबर करेक्ट आंसर सी. 132 नंबर क्वेश्चन, ए moist aggregate is one whose all the pores are filled with water and also having its surface wet. Correct answer is 133 नंबर क्वेश्चन, 133 नंबर क्वेश्चन पे दी सरफेस मॉइस्चर ऑफ एग्रीगेट increases the water cement ratio in the mixture and thus decreases the strength. Correct answer B. 133 नंबर करेक्ट आंसर B. उसके बाद 134 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिए, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट. कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट देखो, large the size of coarse aggregate, larger is the quantity of the fine aggregate and of cement required. It is correct. If very dry aggregate are used, the workability of the mixture is likely to be reduced. It is correct. Bulking is caused due to the formation of thin film of surface moisture around the sand particle. It is correct. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर डी. करेक्ट आंसर डी. 35 नंबर 135 नंबर क्वेश्चन, द डेटेरियस मटेरियल present in the aggregate to prevent normal hydration of cement, reduce the strength and durability of concrete, modify the setting action and cause efflorescence. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर डी. 136 नंबर क्वेश्चन, द सम ऑफ परसेंटेज ऑफ ऑल डेटेरियस मटेरियल इन द एग्रीगेट shall not exceed  यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर ए 5%. द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ एन एग्रीगेट टू कंप्रेसिव फोर्सेस इज नोन एज क्रशिंग वैल्यू. करेक्ट आंसर ए क्रशिंग वैल्यू. 138 नंबर क्वेश्चन, 138 नंबर क्वेश्चन, द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ एन एग्रीगेट to sudden compressive force is called impact value. It is correct. The resistance of an aggregate to wear is known as abrasion value. 140 नंबर क्वेश्चन, द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ एन एग्रीगेट टू द इफेक्ट ऑफ हाइड्रेशन ऑफ सीमेंट एंड वाटर इज कॉल्ड साउंडनेस. 141 नंबर क्वेश्चन, Los Angeles machine is used to perform the abrasion resistance test of an aggregate. It is correct. 142 नंबर क्वेश्चन, the impact value of an aggregate is generally used as an alternative to its crushing value to know the quality of aggregate. Yes, it is correct. Bucking of sand is 143 नंबर क्वेश्चन, bucking of sand is correct answer C. Increase the volume of sand due to presence of moisture up to certain extent. 144 नंबर क्वेश्चन, with the moisture content of 5 to 10% by weight, the bucking of sand is increased by 50%. When the sand is fully saturated, its volume is equal to the volume of dry and loose sand. 146 नंबर क्वेश्चन, the ratio of the volume of moist sand to the volume of dry sand is known as buckling factor. एक सौ 47 नंबर क्वेश्चन, फाइन सैंड बाक्स मोर देन कोर्स सैंड. करेक्ट आंसर बी. The fineness modulus of an aggregate is roughly proportional to average size of particle in the aggregate. Correct answer C. 149 नंबर क्वेश्चन, the coarse aggregate, the higher is the fineness modulus. Correct answer A. 150 नंबर क्वेश्चन, the value of fineness modulus for fine sand may range between 2.2 to 2.6. 151 नंबर क्वेश्चन, if the fineness modulus of sand is 3, then the sand is graded as coarse sand. Correct answer D. 152 नंबर क्वेश्चन, the percentage of fine aggregate to be combined with coarse aggregate is determined by. ये सबसे इजी क्वेश्चन है, एक फार्मूला है जब मैं थ्योरी क्लास में कराया. करेक्ट आंसर सी. x इक्वल टू f2 माइनस f अपन f minus f1 into 100, where f equal to fineness modulus according to the specified grading, f1 equal to fineness modulus of fine aggregate and f2 equal to fineness modulus of coarse aggregate. एक 153 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिए, the presence of sodium carbonate and bicarbonate in water has an adverse effect on the setting time of cement. 154 number question. The presence of calcium chloride in water accelerates setting of cement, accelerates hardening of cement. 155 number question. The admixtures are added in concrete to the admixtures are added in concrete to admixture किस लिए ऐड करा जाता? Accelerates the rate of setting and hardening of cements. Correct answer is. It is very important question. 156 number question. Water cannot be used as a lubricant in concrete mix. It is false. It is false. 157 number question. If seawater is used for preparing concrete mixture, it reduces strength, corrodes steel reinforcement, cause efflorescence. यहाँ पे all of these correct answer है. 158 number question. If mineral oil is present in mixing water for concrete, it increases strength. It increases strength for a concentration up to 2%. Yes, it is correct. 159 number. Which of the following statement is wrong? यहाँ पे कौन सा स्टेटमेंट गलत? यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर बी. एन एडमिक्सचर कैन नॉट increase the workability of concrete without increasing water content. It is wrong. 160 number question. 160 number question. The standard sand now used in India is obtained from Ennore. Correct answer है. So guys, इट इज़ मच फॉर टुडे. अगर आप हमारा चैनल पे नया है तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.